this just happened. Finally got the tow hitch on. Well, the receiver. And a lot of cool things on the interior as well. We got these guys made in canvas, tan, right from the dealer as well. They're super. Got everything organized finally. Little under seat bags. That's my dealer. And then this guy. Completely changed the look. Completely. It's really nice and snug, the fit. It's really, really impressive. And solid as hell. It's good. I'm happy, as always. Got one over here. Holds a bottle, almost. But yeah, all in a day's work.